Hello guys and gals, and I'm going to install VestaCP for you. You can watch, okay? There'll be links in the description below. So I'm just going to paste this link in because I'm too lazy to type it. So we get this. Now we just got the file. Alright, we're going to run this puppy right here. Bada boom, bada bang, and it's installing. Okay, error control panel. Oh, on a clean server. Apparently it's not clean, so, well, that's a bit nutty. Oh. So, okay, this is how I recommend you remove this before proceeding. What's this? Oh, I see. Okay. Yes. Email address. I will do Chris at mrgeekchris.com. Boom. Crazy at. Actually, we'll just leave that like that. I don't care. So installation usually takes about 15 minutes. It's pretty simple to install and it's pretty awesome to see. What can I say? VestaCP is not too bad. I like it. It's free. It's lightweight. It's not clustered. I'm trying to think what else I could say about this. It's just overall pretty simple and such. Now we'll watch this. So just so you know how to do it in the future. I had a force installed because apparently my server wasn't clean and the server was clean actually. But well, you can't really judge, I guess. But I'm doing a force install. So, might take a little bit. But I mistake it takes less time than the cPanel actually, too. It's small, it's easy, it's simple, and that's what I like. And it's free, too, of course. Who doesn't like free? If you hate free, it's okay. I totally understand, God, I hate free stuff. Ah! No. And the graphical interface is pretty nice, too. It is very nice. And they actually just released new features. What new features are they releasing this? Okay, version 9.815. They got SFTP and CH roots, monitoring tools, top free DF server status and such. They have a user interface, a notification center, start objects, object sorting, hotkeys, mall accounts, and so on and so forth. They did core improvements on the logger. They added Polish, Japanese language support, Vietnamese language support, security fix, command injection, and XSS thanks to Global IT. Bug fix, DNS cluster, bug fix, bulk operations, bug fix, backup exclusions, bug fix, domain validation, bug fix, FTP username, bug fix, service manager, and bug fix, failed to ban. So yeah, they did some bug fixes and major updates in this control panel too. That's good though. That's good to keep it. That was November 2015, so there hasn't been one recent. It's kind of okay. Oh, they did 2016 too. There's one. Okay, reseller plugin. Okay, cool. That's good. That's good. It scared me a little bit. So now I'm not scared because they actually just did a recent one. Awesome. Good job to VestaCP. And they have a forum. They have sponsors too. What else? What else can I mention about these guys? Why this stuff is installing? They have one sponsor, which, yeah, it's not going to do me good to mention the sponsor. Well, they have commercial plugins too to restrict users that cannot use SSH or access only home directory too. And they have File Manager. Browse, edit, view, and retrieve. While Vista offers a ton of features and flexibility, there's still some missing functionalities in the core software. The best way to fill the missing pieces, of course, is to get it yourself. So the File Manager is actually missing. You can buy it for $3 a month or $50 a lifetime, and SFTP as well. That's to be honest, I'd understand that. I would truly understand that. And they allow you to do custom instructions as well, which is pretty cool. That is pretty awesome. and to have your own host name and such as well. That's pretty sweet. That's a genius idea. I'd do that. So, I mean, it's a nice feature there. Very nice. What else features they have here? So I take it I won't be seeing this cool file manager. I don't know. It's kind of confusing there. They'll show the file manager and probably won't have it. It's kind of sad. I'm using it for personal use only, so what the hey, right? What else? They doesn't look like they have a demo on their website. So I guess we're starting the cron jobs now. We're starting fail to ban. Alright, it is officially installed and officially using the password. Which this will be blurred out and blacked out by the time you see it, so heck yeah. Alright, so and the IP will be blurred out as well, so yes. Tyrol, security. I want to say Security Pro, but it's just Security Geek or something like that. But yeah, that's how you install this VestaCP, and that's all for now. Have a wonderful day, and hope you enjoyed the tutorial.